Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Amazon account without a phone number. So first of all we will go into the amazon.com. You can use any browser whatever you like, and after that on the top right side corner you can see here an option that is sign in. You have to click over that, and it will take some time to load. And here you can see that if I want to create a new account, just click on a create an account and you have to write the name here. Okay, and you have also entered the email, so I will just paste the email. Okay, just for demonstration I'm doing using a temp mail. Okay, and you have to create a password here, so just let me type and click on verify email. So we have to just wait for a few seconds, and we have to solve the puzzle here. Now guys, we have to enter the OTP which is sent to your email address. So just let me check the OTP. Okay, and the OTP is this. Just let me copy it, and I have to paste it over here. Okay, and just click on verify. But you can see here guys, without a phone number you cannot make a Amazon account. So basically previously when we wanted to create an Amazon account with with only an email address, we can do that, but now it has been strictly mandated to add the phone number. So no matter from whichever country you're making, you have to use your phone number. So without a phone number it is not possible to make an Amazon account. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.